guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video for you today that will show how to use Weebly for your personal blog. So just before I do so, if you want to use Weebly now after you've watched this video and you want to utilize it, there's a link just down below in the description for this video that'll take you straight through to it, and that'll be a free trial version as well for you, so you can utilize it for free. So with Weebly, obviously when you create the website for the first time, I can show you that as well in a second. You can select, a blog from the get-go as a template and kind of, go in from that way. If you've got a pre-existing website that you've created and you're in the website builder to sort of add a blog capacity to your site, all you need to do really is go to pages, and then you'll see the little plus symbol to add a new page has actually got a blog page by default. So whether you go in with a blog site from the template mode when you first log into Weebly, or whether you've got a pre-existing site, hit blog page, and that'll give you then a page which is kind of ready formatted for blogging. So you'll see that the posts that you add will appear here, and there's sort of some basic text and categories and things like that you can add and navigate to there. The formatting's a bit off on this template because I've been switching it around. You can see then that if you want to add a new post, you can also add, access the settings for the blog there. I'll show you that first maybe. And, you've got some basic stuff, that you could sort of define and see how you want your end users to interact with your blog and how it appears and things like that. Once you're happy with that, hit save. And like I said, then if you want to create a new post, if you deselect there and then go to new post, that will allow you to kind of format a blog then, so you can give it whatever title that you want. You can change the date based on a calendar like that, and then whatever kind of text or images or whatever you've got to go in there, you can add that in. And obviously that's just done just as you would a normal web page, so you could add a text element in, you could add an image element or whatever you need to kind of format your blog just as you would a normal web page, and then that kind of automatically formats it into a personal blog like that. So you'd think about then of how you'd kind of format the rest of the website based around it, or how you'd display it on the menu, and what else you'd put there alongside it, and how you'd let users navigate to it. But that pretty much covers it. So that concludes the tutorial. So like I said, if you want to give it a go and try and post your first blog, click the link in the description down below, and that'll allow you to utilize the free trial version. If you've got any questions or comments, you can leave them down below as well. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.